Hi everyone, today we're going to be playing around with this recipe that I found online for low carb keto bagels. It's going to use 2 ounces of cream cheese, 3 cups of mozzarella, 1 3/4 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then there's an extra egg for egg washing on top of the bagels afterwards. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to microwave and melt the cream cheese and mozzarella. Okay, here's the cheese. I put it into a microwave safe container. I'm going to put it on the microwave. It's starting to melt now. I'm going to just microwave, pulse microwave it, heat it up, cool, and then stop it so that I don't overdo it. Okay, now it's all melted. You can see I've just mixed it all together using a little silicone spatula. And now for the next step, we're going to use the food processor. I have the almond flour right here and the baking soda. I'm going to put this into the food processor using the dough attachment, and I'm just going to pulse it to mix the two together. Next we're going to add the eggs. So I have the eggs right here. I'm just going to beat them up. And lastly, our cheese mixture. And you just want to put this onto the food processor and pulse it until it's all incorporated. Okay, we have our dough. It's all done now. You can see right here it's all nicely incorporated. It's quite stiff, but it's also very sticky. So we're going to put this onto a plastic sheet to roll out into bagels. Okay, I have a baking tray right here with a piece of parchment. I'm going to put that to the side. I have a plastic cutting board here. I'm going to put the dough onto this. So to prevent sticking, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil onto my hands, and then I'm going to shape those into bagels. So I want to pinch off a good chunk. So I have one here. We have some egg wash, which is the 3rd egg. So 2 eggs went into the dough and 1 extra was going to be for the egg wash. Put it all over the top. Oven is set for 400 degrees. I'm preheating it right now. And they're going to bake for 15 minutes. And here they are right out of the oven. Baked them a little too long, so they're a little more than just brown, but that's okay. I'm gonna let them cool down and then cut into it and show you guys what it looks like inside. Okay. These have cooled down now. Look pretty good. They're quite hard, like a bagel would be. Let's cut into one and see what it looks like. So inside looks like a bagel. Looks a little on the moist side. It smells like a pastry of some sort. You can really smell the egg, and you can kind of smell the almond flour in it. You don't really smell cheese. So let's put some cream cheese on this. So here you have it. Low carb keto bagels made with mozzarella, cream cheese, eggs, and almond flour. So they turned out pretty good. It tastes pretty good too. So let me know if you give it a shot, how it goes in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to help out this channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.